Look at that fudgy, chocolatey goodness. It's rich, decadent, and the perfect treat for any occasion. Start by melting the butter in a saucepan over low heat. Once melted, stir in your chocolate until smooth and glossy. This is where the magic begins. Beat 3 eggs, salt and sugar until pale, almost white. Now slowly add that silky chocolate mixture. Don't forget a dash of vanilla for that extra flavor. Totally optional but highly recommended. And finally, add the flour mixture in one go. Stop the mixer just as the flour is incorporated, which might take no more than 5 to 10 seconds. You should have a rich, creamy batter. Pour it into a greased and lined 7-inch or 18-centimeter cake pan. Spread it out evenly so it bakes to perfection. Pop it into a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit and let it bake for 16 to 20 minutes, depending how moist you want the cake to be. Once baked, let it cool for a few minutes before slicing. Serve it on its own or pair it with a dollop of whipped cream or a scoop of ice cream. Either way is guaranteed to impress. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more easy, delicious recipes.